So in this video we are going to learn some of the collections in Python and also another topic called string slicing. So for that, first log in into cs50.dev. I've already logged in before, so this is my code space. Now I will explain the collections in Python. We have some type of collections like tuple, list, set, and also dictionary. So first let us talk about tuple. Just let us talk about list. So a list is an ordered collection that can hold items of any data type, and it has an advantage, and it is a mutable. Mutable means it can be changed after a value is assigned. So for that, we use list functions. So let us give an example. So for that, let us create a new file. For that, we use touch command. Touch. Let us create a file called tuple. No. Collections.py. Collections.py. So we can see here collections.py is created. So let us give a tuple. Let us give some fruit names as tuple. Let us take or so I forgot to tell one important thing. Tuple is represented by a closed bracket. So let us give something like dimensions is equal to, let us give 12 comma 67. So in this, let us print. So we have given like this. So let us print this, print first number of this. So for that, print dimensions of for slicing we use square brackets. So this index is 0 and this index is 1. We have already discussed before. So dimensions of 0. And now let us run this program. For that we use python space collections dot py. So we can see 12 here. So as I already said, lists are tuples are mutable. Sorry, I've said wrong for you. Tuples can be mutable and lists can be mutable. So that's about tuple, and let's see about lists. As I said, they are mutable. Let us give an example for lists. Let us give some fruit names. For you, I choose is equal to, and lists are denoted by square brackets. So in this, let us give apple, and orange, and our favorite mango. So now let us apply slicing for this. Let us print fruits of 1, index 1, that is orange. Now let us run this. So sorry, I didn't mention print here. Let us run and check this. So here, now let us run this program. So for that, python space collections.py, and then we can see orange. As I said, lists are mutable. That means we can change the value after assign. Let us change the first index as mango. So let us remove this. So we can say if are you. So we are replacing the first index with mango. So now let us run this program and check if it is replaced or not. So it's not replaced because we have not given. I think the mistake is double quotations. Now let us run this python space collections dot py. So we couldn't see anything here. Let us again see. We are not getting anything here. What is the problem? So let us say about another collection type called set. A set is an unordered collection of unique elements. It is mutable, but it does not follow any duplicate values. That means we shouldn't repeat the same values. And the set is denoted by flower brackets. So let us give a set called set is equal to 1 comma size 8 comma 9 comma 10, and we can do some things to this. We can add some numbers, remove some numbers, and many things. So now let us add some numbers. So for that we use add function. Set is equal to set dot add, in brackets what we want to add. Duplicates are not allowed. Let us add number 5. So just run this program, python space collections dot py. I've given this in double quote, so it's printing the same set. Let us see what comes here. So we can see numbers like 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. So by default it's added here. So we have not given the place here, so it's added in the front. So now let us work on removing a number. Let us remove 8 and now run this python space collections dot py. So here we can see the 8 is removed. So now the fourth one is dictionary. The fourth collection name is dictionary. A dictionary is an unordered collection of key value pairs. Keys must be unique and these are immutable, and they are also used by square brackets. And now let us come to slicing of a number or slicing of a list, that is slicing of a string. So now let us give a string a is equal to Gayatri College. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 numbers. So when we come to slicing, if we want only Gayatri, we have to print from 0 to Gayatri is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have to print 8. So by default the 8 number is taken as a index number, not as a length number. So let us give a of first value from 0. Index is 0, from 0 to length. As I mentioned, from 8. Let us see what comes here. So I have not mentioned double quotes here. So now let us run this. So the other mistake we are going to do is, if we give the file name wrong, we cannot get the output. Should not give here double quotes. we can let us try in another way. Let's give pi is equal to, let's store this in a some value and print that number. Print pi. So Python space functions dot py. So it's not storing. Let us say let us give this in a single line. Let us try another way. So print a of 0 to 8. Let us see what happens. It's been very damaged. The website is being very slow. It's reloading. So now let us see this. Let us run this Python. So you can see the Gayatri College is printed. So here it starts from 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. As this is a 6th index, Gayatri is 6, I is the 6th index, we have to give the length as 7. So it will be taken as length 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is length is 7 and index is 6. I. So we have to give the 7. Here 7 is the length of the number and 0 is the index. So this can be written in other way also, by not giving the index of the first number. Let us see what is the output of the code. Functions dot so we can see the same output as Gayatri. So by default it takes the index number as 0. So from last, if we want to print this college, in this college E is taken as -1 and G is taken as -2, E -3, L -4 and next is -5 and next one is -6 and next is -7. So from -8 let us print what's the output. Let us see. So Python space elections dot py Gayatri. So if we want let us take 9 here. No, not 9, 7. So you can get output as Gayatri. if we want only 88, so we have to take the index number of a, that is 0 1 2 1 2 3 up to the length of t, that is 1 2 3 4 5. I think we will get the output as 8. So we can see the output here. So this is how we do slicing of a number, that is slicing of a string. So this video is